Mario.
Hello guys and welcome again into my YouTube channel Crypto Mario. Today we have another video about Auragi Finance project. So guys, if you want to know more about another feature that they have, so please continue the video until the end. And as always, I must warn you, I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and conviction. So before investing in any project that you see in my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, whether it succeeds or fails. So guys, let's get into it. The other day I shared about Auragi Finance, and now you can believe it. They have paused with API up to 700%, and today let's experience how to earn 700% API on Auragi Finance together. Before we explore why Auragi has the highest amount of API, let's take a look at some impressive number of the projects. Firstly, there are more than nearly 22k holders in just over 2 weeks since the project mainnet launch, and according to the broader statistic, the project had over 50k unique active wallets in just over 2 weeks. And the project ranked first in TVL Grow among DEX exchange on Arbitrum in its first week of launch. And the TVL reached an all-time high of $5 million, and the project has attracted over 48k users from ecosystems such as OP and BNB chain to use Arbitrum. And the most important point here is that current market cap of the project is only 500,000 USD. This is an extremely low market cap, and the project can easily 10 multiply 20 the current market cap if it continues to move in the right direction. It's truly impressive for a new project that has just launched in its mint on April 5, 2023. So why this video titled How to Earn with API 700% on Auragi Finance? Well, it's quite simple. Auragi Finance is not just DEX platform for you to perform trading pairs, but it's also reward you for providing liquidity to its pools or participating in Auragi Finance governance through voting. Now let's find out how you can earn money with API of nearly 700% through the two mechanisms of liquidity provide and vote to earn. First, we will try to add liquidity pool function. With this feature, as you can see on the screen, the highest current API is extremely attractive for the AGI and USDC pair, reaching up to 500%. Now I will demonstrate how providing liquidity for the AGI and USDC pairs to and also the with AGI pairs. First, go to Auragi Finance and connect your wallet. In the toolbar, select pool. Here I will select added liquidity for the first pair, AGI and wait. Click on manage here, and then the corresponding amount of AGI and weight token. For example, I will enter 5,000 AGI. The system will automatically input the corresponding amount of weight. Then click deposit. Wait for verification on the MetaMask wallet, and until the notification appear that you have complete adding the liquidity for the AGI pair. As you see guys, here you are adding liquidity in the ball. Next, guys, I will try to add LP guys for the AGI USDC pair with an API up to 400%. You can see here the liquidity is added and the transaction has been confirmed by the blockchain. So guys, let's go into the next move. You do the same step as with the AGI weight pair. I will enter also 5,000 AGI, and the system will automatically input the corresponding amount of USDC. Then click, as you see guys, deposit, and you will see how much USDC you will get. When you click deposit, wait for the verification on the MetaMask wallet, and until the notification appears that you have completed adding liquidity for the AGI and USDC pair. Okay guys, I just demonstrated how to add liquidity for these two pairs on Auragi Finance. Now let's go into the reward tab to see the expected reward. Now you can click confirm to bend the liquidity. You can see here the transaction has been confirmed by the blockchain reader, and you have to wait until the transaction is made. So as you see guys, in the reward section there's two item voting reward for user who vote with VGI reward, which I will explain in the next section, and poll reward for user who provide liquidity. True, it is Velodrome fork. The reward interface in Auragi Finance has been greatly improved, making it easier for users to see the reward they will receive. For example, with two polls I just added, Auragi will show user the expected reward. For example, in the AGI USDT poll, if you added a total of 10,000 AGI and USDT with an API of 400%, you can easily calculate that after 1 year of fixed API, you will receive 4,000 AGI, and you will receive approximately 111 AGI per day, which means that you will recoup your investment in about 3 months. So many of you are asking whether the high API will lead to inflation when the token supply increase. This is also the issue that all generation DEX MML products are facing when they use high API to attract users to provide liquidity, leading to a large amount of token. However, with the V33 mechanism, the amount of emission generated to reward liquidity providers will be inversely proportional to the total supply on the market. This is as the amount of AGI increases over time. The amount of AGI allocated as a reward for liquidity providers will disagree. Please, and this will help the tokenomics, as you see guys here in the chart of the project that apply the V33 mechanism, and this will help make the tokenomics of project implementing V33 more balanced, bringing more value to holders while still providing incentive for liquidity providers to receive reward. It will also bring more profit to early participants when the total supply on the market is not too large. Currently, Auragi Finance is only in about 3, which is why rewards for liquidity providers are so very high. Therefore, be quick to become a liquidity provider for the project. Another next step that I personally think it is the heart of the V33 mechanism and also of Auragi Finance when it offers user an API of nearly 700%. You can see here what they say the vote day, and you can claim the reward tomorrow. Here's some of example, and with this mechanism, user will commit to vesting their AGI token for a period of time, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and why not 4 years. After that, user will receive VAGI. In return, VGI will represent the voting power of the user. The level of voting power is determined as follows. $100 of AGI locked for 4 years will become 100 VAGI, and 100 AGI locked for 1 year will become 25 VGI, and the longer the vesting time, the higher the voting power, and the more reward, the longer the vesting time, and the higher the voting power, and the more reward. So what you can do with VGI, represent your voting power to vote for poll and Auragi Finance, and you will receive reward for voting, including fees, no transaction fee for that liquidity poll in a pouch, and bribe, additional reward for the poll to incentive user to vote for it. When you vote for a poll, you will receive 100% of the fee, and bribe for that pool. This is particularly a passive income source exclusively for VGI holder, as the current API at the time making this video has reached nearly more than 600%. So guys, now let's try out this feature and see how much reward you can earn if we lock a certain amount of AGI for 1 week, for 1 year, and 4 years. First, access the Vicin feature in the toolbar. Then you can enter the amount of AGI token here, 5,000, and I will vest them for 1 year. For example, by vesting 5,000 AGI for 1 year, my voting power will be 1,250 VGI. And then you can confirm it and verify on the wallet, as you see guys here. Then click confirm. When you click confirm guys, the generation will be successful and the Vicin will create it. Then next I will try Vicin 5,000 AGI for 4 years. By Vicin 4 years, my voting power will receive the full 5,000 VGI and lock it. Then you can confirm it and verify it also in the wallet. Then click confirm. Now guys, you can see here that this is created. I will also use the two newly received VGI to vote for the poll with the highest API, which is RB and AGI, and I will cast 100% of my voting power for each of these polls. Now let's move on, and the reward section, where the system will calculate the estimated amount of reward we will receive in each approach. First, let's look at the VGI locked for 1 year. As you can see on the screen, you will receive as estimated 158 AGI per week. Note that the reward display here will be in AGI, but when the reward is paid out, it will be in the token for the voted poll. As for VGI locked for 4 years, the reward is more than 600 AGI, which is 4 times higher than if you lock AGI for 1 year. And with locking 5,000 AGI, you will only need about 2 months to break even, and then it will be your passive income source. Recently, I tried out 2 earning mechanisms on Auragi Finance. Both mechanisms have extremely high API, which is a great opportunity for you to earn passive income with your idle funds. It can be seen that looking AGI and using VGI for voting bring you more benefits than added liquidity to a pool, where you only receive 100% of the trading fee and some bribe from the pool. Therefore, looking AGI and using VGI to vote will be the best and the most optimal way to help you earn long-term passive income. As of now, Auragi Finance is running a huge airdrop campaign with an estimated total prize value around 30,000 USDT. All you need to do is to perform activities such as aided LP swapping, vesting, voting, and claiming reward to have a chance to receive a massive airdrop from the project. I will leave the link to the airdrop campaign in the video description for your reference. Here you can see it here. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video. Bye folks, see you in the next one.